Hello, Kritanjali ji. You can turn your mic on and your video. Namaste, Kritanjali. How are you?
Namaste, sir. Good.
Okay. Sit down on your mat now. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om all together. Take a deep inhale. Om. Can you both palm together? Rub your both palm. Apply on your face, apply on your eyes, apply on your whole body. Gently surrender yourself to the God. And while blinking, open your eyes. Okay, now stand up on your mat, come in front of your mat for sun salutation. You come, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head. We'll start with sun salutation here. To exhale, bend fully forward down. Three, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to the chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, urdhva mukha. Shat, exhale, adho mukha. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Namaste. Second round, Ekam, inhale. Toi, exhale. Trini, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Again, hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastati. Third round, Ekam, inhale, come for the Urdhastasana. To exhale, bend down, Papadhastasana. Three, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastati. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale. Doi, exhale. Three, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, come back. Pancha inhale, Shat exhale, and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto exhale. Nava inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. 5th round again, Ekam inhale. Toi exhale. Trini inhale. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto exhale. Nava inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Sun salutation B, first round. Ekam inhale, bend your both knees, raise your arms up. Come for the chair pose. To exhale, bend fully forward down in Uttanasana. Trini inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari exhale, jump back to the Chaturanga. Pancha inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, lift your right leg up and bring your right leg front for warrior 1. Ashto exhale, jump back. Nava inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Swadasha, exhale, jump back. Triyodasha, inhale. And Chaturdasha, exhale. Keep taking Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam inhale, again come for the chair pose. And though exhale, bend fully forward down. Trini inhale, look front. Chattari exhale, jump back to the Chaturanga. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front again for warrior A. Ashtu exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Nava inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Swadasha exhale, jump back to the Chaturanga. Triyodasha inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam inhale. Doi exhale. Trini inhale. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front. Ashto exhale. Nava inhale. Tasha exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dwadasha exhale. Triyodasha inhale. And Chaturdasha exhale. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. 4th round. Ekam, inhale again, come for the chair pose. Do exhale. Trini, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back to the Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. And Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadash, bring your left leg front. Dwadasha, exhale. Triyodasha, inhale. And Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, 5th and last round. Ekam, inhale, come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll do Padhastasana. Ekam, inhale, jump, open your legs. Sorry, Padangusthasana first. Keep your both palms on your waist, look up, and exhale, bend fully forward down. Grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Do exhale, bend fully forward down and look between your both legs and hold there for 5 counts. 1, transfer your weight from your heel to your toes also. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front, lengthen spine. And 3, exhale, keep your both palms under your feet for Padhastasana. Inhale again, look front, lengthen spine. And do exhale, bend fully forward down. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, place your both palms on your waist. Training, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, jump back into Samasthiti. Now we'll do Trikonasana. Ekam, inhale, send your right leg back, 4.5 feet apart, right toe out, left toe in, both arms by the side. Do exhale, elevate your spine towards the right side and bend with your torso and grab your big toe from your first two fingers. Inhale, look up at your left hand and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Treni, inhale, come up. Chatwari, exhale, change your side. Same, bend towards the left side now and grab your left toe with your first two fingers. And inhale, look up towards your right arm. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Change your side. Right toe out, left toe in. Now we'll do Parivartit Trikonasana. Place your right hand on your waist. Then left arm up. Exhale, do exhale, bend to the left side. Place your left palm out of your right feet. Inhale, right arm over your head and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, push your hips in, chest out. 3, open your chest. Both shoulders in one line. 4 and 5. Exhale, look down, inhale, come up. Chatwari, again, change your side. Exhale, bend to the left side. Place your right arm out of your left feet. Inhale, left arm over your head. Again, look towards your left hand and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, Pancha, come up. Exhale, stepping your right foot front into Samasthiti. Now we'll do Utthita Parshkonasana. Ekam, inhale, send your right leg back, right toe out, left toe in. Now both arms by the side. Do exhale, bend your right knee and drop your right elbow on your right knee. Inhale, left arm over your head. Look towards your left palm. गीतांजलि, जब हम नीचे जाते हैं तो ऐसे नहीं, सीधा ऐसे नहीं गिरना, हाथ को नीचे से ऐसे लेके जाइए, आगे खींचिए ऐसे. वेरी गुड. 1, अपने पेल्विस को और नीचे पुश करिए. 2, 3, एडजस्ट करिए, फीट में डिस्टेंस बढ़ाइए. 4 and 5. Exhale, look down. Treni, inhale, come up. And Chatwari, exhale, change your side. Left toe out and right toe in. Now drop your left elbow on your left knee. Inhale, right arm over your head. Look towards your right hand and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Stepping your right foot front into Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your hands. Okay, now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana. Send your right leg back, 4 feet apart, both toes front. Keep your both palms on your waist. Exhale, bend fully forward down and drop your both palms on the floor. Inhale, lift up, lengthen your spine. And do exhale, bend fully forward down. Look between your both legs and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Exhale, place your both palms on your waist. Pancha, inhale, all the way come up. and exhale, release your hand from your waist. Okay, in Ekam, now we'll do Parasarita Paduttanasana V. Inhale, raise your both arms by the side, align with your shoulder. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist and contract your shoulder blades. Exhale, bend fully forward down and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale, come up. And exhale, release. Now we'll do Parasarita Paduttanasana C. Ekam, inhale, extend your both arms by the side. Do exhale, interlace your fingers behind your back. Trini, inhale, lift your chest up. And exhale, bend for the forward fold. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale, all the way come up. And exhale, place your both palms on your waist. Again, Ekam, inhale, lift your chest up, look up. And do exhale, bend fully forward down. Now grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. And inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Now Chatwari, exhale, bend your both elbows out and take your crown head as much as closer to the mat and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Exhale, drop your both palms on your waist. Pancha, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, jump, return or jump back into Samasthiti. Now we'll do Parshvottanasana. Inhale, send your right leg back, right toe out, left toe in, make Namaste behind your back. If you cannot make Namaste, you can grab your elbows to each other. So exhale, bend fully forward towards your right leg and try to touch your belly on your thighs. Belly on your thighs, chest on your knees, and chin on your chin. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Trini, inhale, come up. And right left toe out, right toe in. Chatwari, exhale, bend towards the left side and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pancha, inhale, all the way come up. With exhalation, release your hand and stand up in front into Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your hands. Now we will do Utthita Hasta Padangushtasana. Ekam, inhale, bend your right leg at the knee and grab your right big toe from your first 2 fingers. Straight your knee. Do exhale, bend towards your leg and try to touch your chin on your shin. Hold 1, keep your left palm on your waist. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Trini, inhale, come up, straight your legs. And Chatwari, exhale, take your right leg towards the right side and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pancha, inhale, bring your right leg front again. And shut, exhale again, bend towards your chin and try to touch your chin to your chin. Sapta, inhale, release your leg for Ek Padasana. And hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, lower your leg down. Now we'll repeat the same thing with our left leg. Ashta, bend your left leg at the knee and grab your left big toe from your first two fingers and straight your knee. Nava, exhale, bend down, try to touch your chin on your chin and lift your leg up more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nava, inhale again, lift your torso. And Dasa, exhale, take your left leg towards the left side. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ekadasa, exhale, bring your left leg towards front. And Dwadasha, exhale, touch your chin on your chin. Triyodasha, exhale. And Chaturdasha, release your leg for Ek Padasana. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, release your leg, shake your legs, shake your thighs. Now we'll do Ardha Padmuttanasana. Ekam, inhale, bend your right leg over your left thigh, left top of the thigh. And grab your right feet with your right hand behind your back. Try, if you cannot, you can use belt or something to grab. Lift your left arm over your head and do exhale, bend fully forward down. Hold 1, place your left palm beside of your left feet. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Trini, inhale, lift the torso up and exhale, all the way come up and release your leg. Shake your leg. Now we will do the same with our another leg. Now bend your left leg over your right top of the thigh. Sapta, exhale, bend fully forward down and place your right palm out of your right feet. Balance on your right leg properly and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ashta, inhale, come, lengthen your spine, exhale, drop your both palms on your waist. Nava, inhale all the way, come up and exhale, release back into Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your hands. Now we'll do Utkatasana. Again, come in front of your mat. Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Trini, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to the Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. And Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front and come for the Utkatasana chair pose and hold there. 1, 2, rotate your shoulders out, make a curve on your spine. 3, 4, and 5. Ashto, exhale, place your both palms on the floor. And with inhalation, lift yourself up. And Nava, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Dasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Ekadasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now Sapta, bring your right leg front for Warrior A and hold into Warrior A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up and Ashto exhale, change your side. Left toe out and right toe in. Come to the warrior A on left side. Again hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now open your hands for warrior B. Both arms by the side in line with your shoulder. 1. Keep your front leg 90. 2. गीतांजलि जी अगर आगे से 90 नहीं बना पा रहे, लेग को थोड़ा सा पीछे ले आइए, फीट को अगर बन रहा है, अगर अगर थोड़ा आगे जा सकते हो तो नी को आगे लेके चले जाइए. हाँ. 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come up, and Dasa exhale, change your side. Right side warrior B. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ekadasha exhale, place your both palms on the floor. And Dwadasha exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Triyodasha inhale and Chaturdasha exhale. Now we'll do Paschimottanasana. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front into Dandasana. Place your both palms beside your both hip and lock your chin on your chest and pull your toes in. Now reach to your big toes and grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. And Ashto inhale, lift your chest up. And Nava exhale, bend fully forward down. Bend down and hold. Try to touch your belly on your thighs first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dasa inhale, lift your torso up, just lengthen your spine, straight your torso. And exhale, place your both palms beside of your both hip. Now inhale, lift yourself up and exhale. Just inhale. Now come down, come down. Now from here we will do Paschimottanasana B variation. We will not jump back. We have done this A variation. Now we B variation. Grab your feet from out like this. बाहर से अपने feet को पकड़िए. तो Ashto inhale, lift your chest again up. Lift your torso, lengthen spine. Lengthen करने के लिए spine को आपको lower back को अंदर की तरफ push करना है. ऐसे ऐसे मत करिए. ऐसे ये इसको chest को open करिए और ये जो यहाँ पे कर्व बनता है उसे रिड्यूस करने के लिए हमें belly को जितना हो सके आगे पुश करना है. And now I exhale, bend fully forward down. आगे जाइए, exhale करते हुए and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dasa inhale, lift yourself, lift your torso up, and exhale, place your both hands on the floor. Ekadasha inhale, lift yourself up, and Dwadasha exhale, jump back to the Chaturanga. Triyodasha inhale, upward facing dog. Chaturdasha exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta again, bend your both knees, jump front, counter pose, Purvottanasana के लिए. And place your both palms behind your back. And Ashto inhale, lift yourself up and look back. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale, exit the posture. Dasa inhale, lift yourself up. उठाइए, ऐसे उठा के कोशिश हमेशा लिफ्ट करने की कोशिश करिए. And exhale, jump back to the Chaturanga. वहीं से चतुरंगा चले जाइए. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Triyodasha exhale, Adho Mukha. Downward facing dog. Now we will do Ardha Padma Padma Paschimottanasana. Sapta, again bend your both knees, jump front. Bend your right leg over your left top of the thigh. And grab your right feet from back. अपने right feet को पीछे से पकड़ने की कोशिश करिए. And with your left hand, grab your out arch of the left feet. Inhale करते हुए lift करिए chest को. अष्टो exhale, bend fully forward down. अष्टो में exhale करते हुए आपको आगे जाना है. अपनी नी को नीचे की तरफ प्रेस करते रहिए. नी को फ्लोर से नहीं उठाना, राइट नी को. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, release your leg, release your hand. Shake your leg and shake your hand. Now change your leg. यहाँ से jump back करते हैं, but वो मैं skip करा रहा हूँ ताकि आप jump back ना करना पड़े आपको बार-बार. Now bend your left leg over your right top of the thigh and grab your left feet with your left hand behind your back. And from your right hand, grab the out arch of your right feet. अपना जो right feet है उसे पकड़िए. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale. Again, bend fully forward down. Hold 1 2 3 4 and 5. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, place your both palms on the floor. Ashtadasa, inhale, lift yourself up and jump back into Chaturanga. Ekona vinchate urdhmukha, vinchate adhomukha. Sapta, bend your both knees, again jump front for Triyamukha Paschimuttan, Ekpad Paschimuttanasana. Bend your left leg and sit in Vajrasana, and do not sit on your left heel. Keep your left heel out and side of your left thigh. Now interlock your wrist behind of your right leg. ऐसे interlock कर लीजिए right wrist को. Left से knee straight. I cannot show because if I will straight, okay, like this. Inhale, lift your chest up, lift your torso, lengthen your spine, and Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down and hold there for 5 counts. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, release your leg and now change your leg. Again, यहाँ पे भी jump back होता है. चतुरंगा में जाते हैं हम. Skip कर रहा हूँ मैं आपके लिए. Now right knee bend करिए. Okay, and again grab your left wrist with your right hand behind your leg. Inhale, lift your chest up. Panchadasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Hold 1, आगे को खींचे spine को. 2 3 4 and 5. Sodasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your both palms beside of your both hip. Saptadasa, inhale, lift yourself up. And Ashtadasa, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Ekona vinchate urdhmukha and vinchate adhomukha. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now relax into child pose for a few counts. Child pose में relax करिए. Now sit in any comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om all together, with followed by 3 Shanti. Take deep breath in. शांति शांति शांति. Join both palms together, rub your both palms. Apply on your face, apply on your eyes, apply on your whole body. Slowly bow down your head towards God and thank God for giving us strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste.
नमस्ते।
So, कल आपकी क्लास है, याद है आपको गीतांजलि जी?
यस सर,
आप
याद है।
प्रिपेयर हो उसके लिए अच्छे से?
हाँ।
अगर आपको कुछ भी सवाल हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो मेरे से, कुछ क्वेश्चन हो आपके तो पूछ सकते हो.
सर स्ट्रेचेस के बारे में पूछना था, मतलब जो स्पेसिफिक पोज होते हैं ना, जैसे तो
हम्म,
उनमें स्ट्रेच आना चाहिए मेजरली।
पूछ. हाँ, कौन से पोज में बता रहे हैं, बताइए, आप पूछिए.
सर जैसे कि एक तो पिरामिड पोज हो गया सर। इसमें
इसमें आपके ये काफ मसल्स, हैमस्ट्रिंग्स
ओके,
और आपका हिप जॉइंट, यहाँ जो हिप जॉइंट उस पे,
फ्रंट में या बैक में?
यहाँ बैक हिप जॉइंट, ये लोअर बैक में भी आता है पेन थोड़ा.
नो सर।
सही है, लोअर बैक में नहीं होना चाहिए. ये पैर में पूरा, यहाँ से पैर खींचता है आपका, ये लेग
हाँ,
खींचता है पूरा.
जो आगे होगा।
उसका, हाँ. और पीछे की थोड़ा सा ये हिप रोटेट होता है, तो हिप जॉइंट जो होता है हमारा फीमर बोन, और पेल्विक गर्डल में हमारी फीमर बोन होती है, वहां पे थोड़ा सा वो स्ट्रेच फील होता है यहाँ पे दूसरे लेग के.
ओके सर, जो बैक लेग होगी वो स्ट्रेट रहेगी या स्लाइटली 45 डिग्री पे रहेगी?
नहीं, जो ये बैक फीट होगा हमारा, वो साइड में नहीं होगा, थोड़ा सा अंदर 45 डिग्री में होगा, 5 डिग्रीज इन. सही है, जैसा आपने अभी रखा है वैसा, नी स्ट्रेट होनी चाहिए. ठीक है.
ओके सर, जो ये वाला आसन नहीं है, मतलब ऐसा, और
हाँ,
उसमें
इसमें थोड़ा नहीं, इसमें लेग्स में काफी, अगर आप नी बेंड करा हुआ है अपने, पीछे वाला लेग स्ट्रेच होता है, आपकी एब्डक्टस मसल स्ट्रेच होती है इसमें, आपका पूरा ये ऑब्लिक स्ट्रेच होते हैं, और थॉरसिक से ट्विस्ट होता है.
ओके
तो थॉरसिक, आपके हिप में भी, थोड़ा हिप जॉइंट में भी आपको खिंचाव फिर महसूस हो सकता है, मतलब स्ट्रेच. और आपकी फ्रंट लेग की जो थाइज होती है, फ्रंट थाई क्वाड्रिसेप्स मसल, ये इंक्रीज होंगी, स्ट्रेंथ इंक्रीज होगी इसमें, काफ मसल्स की स्ट्रेंथ इंक्रीज होगी. बट एक चीज ध्यान रखना, बस हमेशा आगे वाला लेग 90 डिग्री में रखा करिए, ताकि प्रेशर ना आए इन पे.
ओके और सर हिप जॉइंट को कैसे, मतलब ओपन करने के कोई पोजेस हो?
हाँ, हिप जॉइंट को ओपन करने के लिए हम ऐसे फ्रॉग पोज कर सकते हैं, जो ये वाला है, नी वाला. ऐसे यहाँ पे स्लाइड करना है नी को, हमारा नी और एंकल एक लाइन में होना चाहिए, नी और वो एंकल एक लाइन में रहेगा. और जो फीट होगा, राइट लेफ्ट फीट है मेरा, राइट, तो लेफ्ट फीट का फेस लेफ्ट साइड रहना चाहिए. ऐसे
ओके
करते हुए हमें नीचे जाना है, और हमें आगे नहीं जाना है. हमारी नी से जैसे ही मेरा हिप क्रॉस हो जाएगा तो नहीं, ये गलत हो जाएगा पोज, पीछे भी नहीं होना चाहिए. आपकी नी, आपकी हिप और आपकी जो दूसरी नी है, अनदर नी, वो एक लाइन में होनी चाहिए, जैसे अभी है एक लाइन में है. और हमें पीछे नहीं जाना है, आगे नहीं जाना है, हमें नीचे पुश करना है, हिप को नीचे पुश करना है, ताकि हमारी ये जो एब्डक्टस मसल्स होती है, ये खींचे, स्ट्रेच हो.
ओके
एडक्टस मसल्स,
ओके
ग्रोइंग्स मसल्स होती है यहाँ पे, वो खींचनी चाहिए.
ओके
सही कर.
सर,
इसको
और कोई
नीचे. और गॉडेस पोज कर सकते हैं हम, गॉडेस पोज आपको दिखाता हूँ, ये वाला, ये गॉडेस पोज होता है. तो इसमें भी देखो, दोनों नी और एंकल एक लाइन में, 90 डिग्री का अच्छा एंकल बनना चाहिए. अगर नहीं बनना है एडजस्ट करिए, हाँ अब बैंड करिए. अब आपको यहाँ पे खिंचाव महसूस होगा आपकी ग्रोइंग मसल्स में. स्पाइन एकदम स्ट्रेट, ऐसे कर्व नहीं बनना चाहिए, स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट रखना, ये करिए। इनहेल अप, एक्सहेल डाउन। या बॉल के सपोर्ट पे भी कर सकते हैं, बॉल पे जाइए, बॉल का सपोर्ट लीजिए, नीचे बैठ। बस नीज ऐसे नहीं होनी चाहिए ज्यादा अंदर, और ऐसे नहीं कि नी पूरी बाहर जा रही है, फीट अंदर, ये गलत हो जाएगा। और जी भी गलत हो जाएगा, अगर फीट ज्यादा बाहर हो जाएंगे प्रेशर पड़ेगा नी। तो ऐसे भी नहीं करना है, एक लाइन में होना चाहिए, 90 डिग्री का एंगल होना चाहिए हमारा, ये।
ओके सर, और जो वो आसन है ना, इसको मतलब कैसे एक लेग पे नहीं हो पाता है ना?
हाँ, वो अभी थोड़ा, जब आप रोज प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना, आप ना वन लेग पे ना ऐसे नीचे बैठने की कोशिश किया करो ऐसे। ये जब स्ट्रेंथिंग स्ट्रेंथिंग हो जाएंगे, जैसे स्क्वाट्स कर रहे हैं, हमने स्क्वाट्स कर सकते हैं हम, वन
हम्म।
लेग पे, वन लेग सिटअप, सिट डाउन सिटअप कर सकते हैं। तो जैसी थाइज में आपकी स्ट्रेंथ इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, तो आपको फिर बैलेंस इजी हो जाएगा बनना।
ओके सर, इस पोज का क्या नाम था?
पार्श्वकोण, परिवर्तित पार्श्वकोण आसन, रिवॉल्व्ड साइड एंगल पोज,
रिवॉल्व।
साइड एंगल पोज।
ओके
ओके, ठीक है, नमस्ते, थैंक यू,
सर, थैंक यू।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर टुमारो।
थैंक यू सर।